Hello everyone, welcome back to ML Science Studio. Today video is on the data frame operation in pandas. Okay, first import the library. Import pandas as pd and read the data set pd dot read csv. My data frame name is nba dot csv and print the data frame now. And first operation is a head view of the data set. Okay, head function is a return to the top 5 column row in data frame in the data set. Okay, and I want to print the last row in the data set. df dot tail function is used to print the last row of the data set. Okay, and now I want to print the information about the data set. df dot info function is used to information about the data set: name, team, number, position, age, height, weight, college, salary. Okay, and another function in operation in data frame is value count. Value count means the count the unique value in a column. Okay, first create a data frame variable df I want to count the unique value in position column. Okay, value counts function is a return to the unique value counts. Okay, in position columns. And next is how to calculate the unique value in a given columns. Okay, I want to calculate the unique value in a position column. Pandas provide the unique function calculate the unique value in a given columns. Okay, in this column, position column, pg and unique value is pg, sf, sg and pf and c. Okay, and now check the position column sg, sc, c, sg. Okay, and pg, pf. Now unique value is pg, sf and sg and pf and c. Okay, next is convert the data type into another format like integer to float, string to integer. Okay, and pandas provide the as type method is used to convert the following data column in a numerical and integer like floats. Okay, I want to convert the number column. Okay, I want to convert the number column in a print df and pass the number columns. Okay, pandas provide the as type function used to convert the data type. I want to convert the data type in float. Now print run this code and all numbered in a integer. Okay, and all number columns in a convert into the float. Okay, and same type convert to the integer to object to integer, character to integer. Okay, and same method to apply the as type function and convert the any format. Okay, and next is describe count function. A count function is used to the number of non NA value in the data set or data frame and series. Okay, I want to count the whole data set. Count function is used to count the name is a 17 row. Okay, and team is a 70. All value are 17 row and 70 column. Okay, and non value is a college column is a 2, and salary column is a non value is a count the non value. Df dot count function is used to the count the non value in the given data set. Okay, next is a describe function. Describe function is used to calculate the statistical data and calculate the mean, standard deviation, maximum value and minimum value in the given data set. Okay, now run this code and describe function perform on the numerical data only, and number column is a count is a 70 and age column is a count is a 70 and weight is a 70 and salary is a 1.6 and minimum number is a 32, mean is a number of 32 and age of 24, standard deviation is a 28 and 2.72 and minimum value is a 0 in a number column. Okay, now let's check minimum value is a 0. Okay, and 25% value of percentage and 50% and maximum value in a given column. Now let's check the number value maximum value in a 99. Okay, summary about the data. Describe function is used to the summary about the given data set. Okay, now another method is a group by. Group the data in data set. Okay, I want to, let's suppose df dot group by function in pandas provide the group the data, and I want to group the data age dot mean. I want to calculate the mean of the age data. Now print the data, and team column is a 3 unique value is a team is a Boston. Okay, and mean is a age of mean is a 24 and Brooklyn nets is a 25. Okay, how to check the unique value? Df dot team dot unique. Unique team column has a 2 unique value. Okay, and group this function and calculate. Another operation in data frame is join the two data frame in pandas. Pandas provide the concatenate function and merge function to the join the data set. Okay, join the data set. First, I want to copy this data frame and join the two CSV data. Okay, and df1 data, my data is read the another data set CSV data name is data dot CSV. Okay, and perform the merge the two data frame. Okay, pd dot concat pandas provide the concat function join the two data set. join the to df1 and okay, and print the merge dataset. Okay, इनमें डेटा सेट है सेल एंड आईडी कंट्री एंड colors. Okay, let show the df1 dataset. Okay, and insert the cell df1 dataset has a id and color columns, and add the df in df dataset id and color and country in a dataset. Okay, and I want to perform the other operation. Let's check the information about the data. df dot information about the merge data info. Okay, and other operation is how to check the columns in a data frame. Okay, the in a data set as a column is a name, team and numbers. Okay, and another operation is a check the merge data, describe summary about the data. Describe function is used to summary about the merge data set. Okay, I hope you have understood the whole concept by now. Okay, in data frame operation, and the next video is on the manipulating the data and how to perform the operation of the column row in a data set. Okay, thank you for watching this video.